In today's video, I'll be showing you how to personalize mini pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I recently made a video showing how you can make my best-selling fall Cricut project, personalized pumpkins. The pumpkin blanks featured in that video were larger and more expensive. A lot of people wanted to know if there's anywhere that you can go to get cheaper pumpkins. The small pumpkins featured in my last video were $6.99. I actually just found some really cute mini pumpkins at the Dollar Tree. I wasn't sure if the vinyl would stick well to them because of their texture and grooves. Let's find out how well permanent vinyl sticks to these really cute mini Dollar Tree pumpkins. Hi Cricketers! Please subscribe to our channel for project ideas, tutorials, business tips, and more. Step 1. Download font. You can use any font for this project, but I'm going to be using Pumpkin Butter font from Creative Fabrica. Click the big green download button, then click the download in the lower left-hand corner. Double click, press OK, install, and then you can close out of these windows and move over to Cricut Design Space. That brings us to step 2. We need to measure our project and resize in Design Space. The dimensions of my names were 2.5 inches wide. Now that we're in Cricut Design Space, you can type out the names you want to use. Then to change the font, you go up to the font bar, click System. This will show me just the fonts that I downloaded. Then type in Pumpkin Butter. And there's the font that I want to use. Super cute. I'm going to shrink all the names down to be about 2.5 inches wide. Next, I want to separate the names, so I'm going to click Ungroup and then highlight each name and weld the name together. So highlight Carrie, weld, highlight Sierra, weld, highlight Barrett, weld. Step 3, we need to cut our vinyl. I'm using black matte Oracle 651 vinyl. You can get it on Amazon. Step 4, we need to cut our vinyl on the Cricut machine. Click Make It in the top right-hand corner. Click Continue, and then select the material, which is vinyl. The Cricut is going to cut out our design, and then we can go to step 5, weed our project. Using my scissors, I'm going to cut out each name. So I'll have 4 little pieces of vinyl. And I'm going to weed each name by picking away the vinyl that I don't want until I'm left with my design. Step 6, clean the surface. I was super nervous to clean these pumpkins with rubbing alcohol, so I did a test wipe on the bottom of the pumpkin to see if any of the paint came off. When I saw that it didn't, I gave the pumpkins a good wipe down. Next, we're going to transfer our design using transfer tape onto the mini pumpkins. This is the final step. Using my scraper tool, I pick up each name, then stick my transfer tape to it, and then flip it over. This way I can pull the paper up from the back. It's a lot easier with the transfer tape that I'm using because it's not very sticky. I'm using contact paper from the Dollar Tree as transfer tape because I ran out of my favorite transfer tape. Dollar Tree contact paper will work as a good transfer tape, but there's definitely better things out there. When adding the vinyl to my pumpkins, I like to start in the middle. I use my finger to smush the vinyl down right in the center of the name, and then I work my way out to the edges. Use your finger to get inside all the cracks and smooth it down really well. Carefully peel off your transfer tape and admire your adorable little pumpkin. I'm going to repeat the same process for the rest of the pumpkins. This transfer tape is so annoying to use. I have the hardest time getting it off of the paper. Invest in good transfer tape, my friends. Another fun fact that a lot of people might not know is that you can reuse your transfer tape over and over again. So this is the final product. The vinyl is actually sticking way better than I thought that it would. Let me know in the comments what you think of these mini pumpkins. Can you tell that they are only $1? I'm really happy with how they came out. I think they're totally worth it for $1. It's a very cute fall Cricut project.
Thanks for watching. Bye!